This free tutorial will show you how to make a TikTok edit in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to make a TikTok edit, go to the top left hand screen in Capcut PC and scroll to the right and click on Templates next to Adjustment. Underneath Templates, you want to click the search bar and type in the following: Trent space edit, and then click enter. As you can see, there are multiple Trent edits to choose from if you hover your mouse, and you can play the template. As you can see, if you scroll down, you're gonna find one of the Trent edits where there is a social media phone. In order to use this edit, you can click the plus on the bottom right hand screen, or you can add to favorites. And then click the drop down arrow and go to favorites, and you can add it on the timeline like so. In order to make a TikTok edit, you want to replace these 17 clips or the 17 photos. If you click each and every one, you want to replace and locate a photo on your PC or computer. Now you want to repeat the process for all 17 photos. And then now, once you have all 17 photos replaced for the TikTok edit, you want to locate the song, assuming you want to replace the song. So now, in order to do this, go to youtube.com and type in edit audios or TikTok edit audios. In this case, once you have your song choice, you want to go to Capcut PC and add it on the timeline. Add it underneath or above the current TikTok audio clip. And then now you want to click hide. And then now, if you want to replace the audio clip, right click, click extract audio, and then delete the video layer. And now for the TikTok edit, we don't want this audio. You can go to the top right hand screen and drag the video volume all the way to the left so that it's silent, and then drag your new or current existing TikTok edit audio, and then adjust the video and then adjust the audio by clicking on it and going to the top right hand screen and move the volume so it's louder, or move it to the right. And now you can delete the part where the TikTok edit occurs. And this is what we have. Completely for free.